On today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to read a Graphghan. So I took a simple picture for you to be able to understand. So what you'll be doing, you'll be naming your graph in numbers. So instead of naming 1, 2, 3 in the same line, because when you're crocheting, when you start with 1, you go to the very end, and then you start the second one to this end, you start the third row to this end, then the fourth row to this end. So that's why I'll be naming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, so that when I'm interpreting it, it won't be difficult, because I'll know 2 is on this side. Because at times when you place 1, 2 like this, you might start counting 2 from this side, and remember, when you have 2 here, that means when you are done here, you'll start from here instead of here, and that won't bring what you're looking for. Because for crocheting, when you go to this end, you'll start the next row from up here. You get it? So that's why I'll be naming 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Then after that, I'll also write the ones on the lower. So the ones on the lower, I'll also write per box 1, 2, 3, 4. So mine is until to 30, and then this upper one is up to 50. So after that, to make the graph easier, if yours does not come clearly, make sure you have lines after every 5, so that it's clear to see. After every 5 boxes, place lines like that, and then after that, I'm going to interpret it by writing it down first. I know you can interpret it by when you get to 1, you crochet, and then when you get to 2, that's when you want to look at the graph again, you crochet. That usually takes a lot of time, and it makes the work frustrating. So to make your work easier, interpret everything on a sheet of paper, and then after that, that's when you start crocheting with what you've interpreted. So for example, when you see 1, you're going to count 1, 2 like that. So because you already had these lines, you can just see this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. You see? So 21 white, and then you just know, because it gets to 30, you're remaining with 9 to get to 30. So you just write 21 9 to 21 white and 9 black. And then when you go to the next row, you count from this end, so row 2. So row 2, you see 5 and then 9. So 9 black, and then because there is 21, 9 black and 21 white. You come and write here 9 black, 21 white. So you go like that, like that. Even when you get here, you can just see it's like for this 27, 1 white. So you write it like that. Let me show you for example here, because this other part is a little bit simple. So for here, you write 1 white, 1 black, 3 white, 1 black, 2 white, 4 black, like that. You write everything like that on a line. You see? Let me show you a different graph that I did. For example, this graph here, the leaf one, don't mind how it looks here. Consequences of having a baby. So as you can see how I interpreted it. So if it's 1 white, 4 green, 2 white, 8 green, 2 white, like that, everything in it, like you count each and every box. 1, 3 white, like that, like that. If it's here, you start from here, you're like 2 white, 5, this is 7 white, like that. When you get here, 3 white, 2 green, 1 white, 3 green, like that. You count every box, and then you interpret it by writing it down. Then after that, that's when you start crocheting. So when you start crocheting, it becomes easier when you have everything written down. Then you take a crochet hook, you just chain, and then do 21 white, 9 black, like that. 9 blue, 2 white, while changing colors. So this video is just to show you how to write the graph. On the next video, I'll show you how to crochet it. I'll be using this same graph. So thank you for watching this one.